Oh yeah.
Oh, that
Is
feels
that the
good.
spot?
Does that feel good, mister?
He's feeling it.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa, what's that? Oh, here you are. Human, there is something under your blanket. Gotta make sure that its lovely butt won't get any dirt. Welcome to today's yoga lesson. Me at the workplace trying to be awake without any coffee. So not only us humans have those weird sleeping postures.
Luna! Luna!
Every energetic one has that best friend who's almost always sleepy. Sunlight has a lot of UV, but it's okay, cause he's a chill cat. Only cats could make use of a toy as senseless as this. When the camera is on, every model will be on her best pose instantly. Better stock up on heart meds for this double dose of cuteness. This whole scene is like stepping out from a fairy tale. With that appearance, she can get not only cat food, but everything in this world. Didn't know that a single facial expression could make me laugh that hard. If you want to summarize cats in just one word, sleepy is a choice. Fighting with planned strategy? Nah, these guys just go all out. Oh, you catch me. Anyway, do you mind cleaning these for me? Think about what you did wrong, or they'll look like that all day.
He went to go bite her ear. As you could see, his little mouth still open, and he fell asleep. Like, what?
For cats, even the fiercest battles always start with the most adorable rituals. Stretching muscle requires absolute focus. It just doesn't care about anything. You don't have to be a witch to seal your cat, especially when it's silly. Who needs a teddy bear when you've got a cat like this? Overqualified already.
Are you okay?
Think talking to girls is hard? Look at this dog trying to befriend a cat. Mom cat doesn't even bother stopping them, as she knows that's cat's true spirit. Just sometimes, but cats also have those beautiful friendships built with peace. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next video.